So we are now live. Let me check with for Sachin. Hi guys. Very beautiful song from John Denver. One of my favorite songs. So let's see when Sachin joins in. Let's see what you guys are taking from. You guys enjoy music too then. She's not able to join.
Hello.
Hello. I was listening to Country Roads, so मैं सबको वो सुना रही थी. Take me home, Country
Hi.
Roads.
I was listening parallelly as well.
Okay, cool.
I was I
Coincidence.
was I was out there. I was on the live session
Hmm.
and was listening to the song itself.
Okay, okay, cool, cool. और कैसे है क्या हाल चाल दिल्ली में गुड़गांव में
दिल्ली में
स्पेशली
दिल्ली में पहाड़ों से ज्यादा ठंड पड़ रही है फिलहाल.
ओके
हाँ, so that's what we are doing. We are kind of enjoying the mountains in Delhi itself. The weather
ओह
of
वाओ
mountains in Delhi itself.
ओह दैट्स ग्रेट टू नो या I'm just waiting. I think we started little late today because मेरा connectivity issue हो रहा था यहाँ पे.
Correct, correct.
Yeah. So after 9 months, I'm out. I went out today. I mean, आज मतलब 3 महीने हो गए कोची आके. I've not been out because यहाँ पे अलाउ नहीं करते लोगों को कि आप
Oh,
सीधे
okay.
सीधे घर पे. तो आज पहली बार बाहर निकली and it was really good.
अरे
इतना
वाह.
अच्छा लगा. And I'll tell you मैं बाहर क्यों गई थी साइकिल लेने के लिए.
Oh, so you are starting a fitness regime then again. Planning
Yeah,
are
already
treks on the
fitness.
cards?
Hmm?
Are treks
Treks.
again on the cards? नहीं अभी
Yeah,
नहीं.
good. End of the year, not
Okay,
अभी पास में. And I
okay,
also
okay,
got a
wonderful.
guitar for myself because of the music love.
अरे wonderful, wonderful. Good, good. Good
So
going
let's
then, है ना?
गुड गोइंग यार. सो आप जैसे दिल्ली में हिल स्टेशन का मजा ले रहे हो, मैं यहाँ पे द्वीप में आइलैंड में अपने नेचर का मजा ले रही हूँ.
Your house is actually island. That's what we have already earlier spoke to you.
So
So it
probably
is
when
it
I
is
start,
island.
yeah. So probably when I start cycling from tomorrow, I can share some live videos from the places where I'm going to cycle because it's very beautiful morning में.
Wonderful, wonderful. Would
I'll try doing that.
wait for them definitely. I have heard so
Yeah,
many things about your house, your the place where you are, and again Kerala, Kochi especially. They are beautiful places indeed,
it's really
for sure.
beautiful. And so अभी cycle मिल गया तो I can actually explore more.
Definitely, एक दो महीने and then we'll land up at your place for a
Yeah,
long
पक्का.
extended holiday.
I think I'm here till July, so anytime welcome.
Wonderful, wonderful. We're gonna
बस
do
जहाँ
that
पे
very
भी
very soon.
क्वारंटाइन 7 days का है वो एक्स्ट्रा डेज लेके आना पड़ेगा केरला में. दैट्स
हाँ,
द ओनली थिंग.
नहीं नहीं फिर क्वारंटाइन को वेट करने देते हैं थोड़ा सा एंड देन वंस लेट दिस सिंस द वैक्सीनेशन हैज ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड सिंस टुडे
या
so let's wait for a month or two maybe things will get a little happier and then we'll be able to travel freely as we were doing earlier. Specifically in mountains everything is now open as it used to be earlier. अभी वो कोई restriction नहीं है पहले जैसा था वैसा ही है सारे लोग जा रहे हैं सब कोई restriction नहीं है on any of the things at the moment. So that's a good part at least in north.
आई थिंक हाँ कुछ लोग तो ज्वाइन हो चुके हैं. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट द शो एनीवेज.
Sure.
अपना गपशप तो चलता ही रहेगा. दैट आई नो.
Yes. True. Yeah.
So yeah. Hello friends, welcome to our episode 13 which is on travel stories, and I'm Smita, founder of Nimitam, and today we have a very interesting personality which is Sachin. He's a chief exploration officer at Travel Tales and a very good friend of mine. So I met him a couple of years back, and I'm really I just love the passion he has for traveling. So we know Sachin for his love stories with mountains and travel, and I think अगर आप उनके साथ travel करते हो and you're in hills and all, he knows entire route. उनको पूरा route याद रहता है. that's amazing part of traveling with Sachin. Another thing is that when you travel with them, with their group, basically it's full of surprises. So the person like me who loves surprises, we just have an amazing time with you, Sachin. So yeah, let me hand it over to Sachin before we start chit chatting again. Yeah,
Sure, sure.
Sachin.
Great. Thank you. Thanks, Smita, for such a wonderful introduction for me and for Travel Tales. Yes. For me, I mean, it is all about mountains. वो कहते हैं ना पहाड़ प्यार है, तो पहाड़
Yeah.
प्यार है. So anything for that, and as you have mentioned, जो भी हमारे trips होते हैं, they are kind of full of surprises. Yes, we do try to keep a lot of things which are like we. So even the guest which comes on our trip, they are generally kind of they simply come over without any kind of a further detail or detailed things, and we end up doing a lot of surprises. We end up
Hmm.
taking them to a lot of places which are kind of hidden and
Hmm.
not known of at the moment.
Hmm.
And then
Hmm.
the kind of camaraderie which gets generated within the group is what our trips are all about. As we
Hmm.
say at Travel Tales,
Hmm.
one trip, many stories. We'll come to that. We'll come to that in detail a little later. So I'll just give a little bit about more myself. About myself. I am Sachin, and I'm running a company called Travel Tales from last 2.5, 3 years. Before that, I was in corporates. I was also, like most of you guys, running around and doing all those IT wala thing, handling client, working on the laptops day in day out,
Hmm.
and being on those client calls and uh, working on those IT projects and all those consulting pieces altogether. But yes, life has changed from suit to tracksuit
Hmm.
in last 3 4 years. 3 years generally, I'll say in last 2.5 to 3 years. I've spent good amount of time in the IT industry, more than 10 years, in fact. I spent with a lot of corporates, a lot of big corporates though, and then it's kind of switching from suit to tracksuit or suits to basically your trekking gear. That has happened to the life in last couple of years, and I'm surely enjoying it so far, and hopefully it's gonna be on the similar lines again ahead. And the life become interesting because I end up meeting a lot of people, interesting people like Smita, you, and a lot of people I can see are online as well. So every trip I end up meeting a lot of people, a lot of interesting people, a lot of interesting stories about their life, about their challenges, difficulties, happiness, and all. That's what makes my life a little bit more wonderful, because I love interacting with people. I love interacting with them. I love hearing their stories. So that's kind of created a lot of positive impact on my life as well.
Hmm. Hmm.
So it's not just our story, it's about others' stories as well, which kind of create a lot of impact on our life. So that's
कहते हैं ना कि आपकी लाइफ एक जर्नी है, लोग मिलते जाते जुड़ते जाते और आपका परिवार
correct.
बढ़ता जाता
True, true. ये तो
है.
है, ये तो है. I've met so many people in last 2.5 year since the time we are running Travel Tales. I've met so many of them. Even before Travel Tales, I was traveling a lot. I have spent more than 10 years traveling across mountains. Maybe I've done probably 200 plus trips to mountains in last 10 odd years. And then a lot of travel across Southeast Asia, across Europe. I've driven across 25, 30 odd countries as well. I've cycled across a lot of places in India. I've done a motorbike. I've been initially, it all started as we talk about in a chronological order, in a sequential order. So it all started with basically motorcycle and running. So is to run, and then moved into a climbing. I was in Bangalore. I was working for Oracle in Bangalore. So I started running out there with the very prominent marathon race, a 10 kilometer, a 10K run, which happened out there is Bangalore Marathon, which happens. It used to call TCS Marathon earlier. I don't know what it is called now. Probably being taken over by somebody else these days. So started running those marathons out there, got into Nike Running Club, and then started climbing with all those Indian athletes. We were the weekender guys. We used to go there for fun. But then out there, the team who used to climb, with whom we used to practice, they all were national players, and they have represented India at several stages. One of the guy was supposed to represent India in Olympics in 2020, but the Olympic itself has got postponed because of the COVID. So uh, it from climbing it started. We got started heading out for evening tracks, night tracks, day tracks. There are a lot of beautiful spots across Bangalore, close to Bangalore. So uske baad, then I did a trip to Spiti. This is where everything changed.
Yeah,
I've been into
Spiti.
mountains. I've been into mountains earlier also, but a trip to Spiti in 2010, it changed everything. It changed everything. It
I
changed the
can understand.
perspective for life. It changed. You were supposed to go to
So
Ladakh.
beautiful. It's so beautiful. Out of the
It
world
is.
experience है.
It is. It is. वो लद्दाख जा रहे थे. लद्दाख जाते जाते क्लाउड बर्स्ट हो गया. We stayed at Rotang Pass. We stayed to the chai wala stall. I could still feel when I'm talking to you. I could still feel
I
those
can understand.
smell. वो खच्चर के ऊपर कपड़े डाल के रखते हैं ना. उसको ओढ़कर
हाँ.
सोना पड़ा था रात में. So I get into that segment now. I could feel those smells now. They are happy smells for me though. So
Yeah.
we headed to Spiti then because of the cloudburst. We enjoyed Spiti. We were kind of uh, we had a different sort of plans altogether. I mean, I don't know. If I look back and think what we were doing, we were kind of not prepared at all
Yeah.
for that specific adventure. But yes, it has given us a lot of things. It has just taught us so many life lessons. I headed back to Bangalore post that trip, and then immediately I went there. I put down my papers and moved to north to be in mountains, to be in Himalayas. I was in mountains in south as well. I was kind of exploring a lot of your Western Ghats. I did, and then a lot of south mountains in the southern part of the India. But yes, Himalayas is what got me hooked. And then post the Spiti trip, went there, came back, and then from 2011 February onwards, I had made sure I'm in mountains at least twice, two to three times in a month. And the longer term goal is to be there as a permanent feature out there, be there, live there, maybe a couple of years down the line. It was all going as per the plan, but yes, then the COVID happened. तो किसी को नहीं पता COVID कहाँ से आया, क्या हुआ, और it has completely ruined everything for most of us, especially for those who are into the travel industry. But
Yeah.
yes, जाएंगे जल्दी पहाड़ों में भी. So that is another thing which will happen soon. So
So, Sachin, I'll tell you that हमने अभी ये जो initiative शुरू किया निमित्तम. So, what we
हाँ.
plan to do, want to do workshop for youngsters basically to help them with life skills so that they can cope up with hardships in life. So, I want to bring
Correct.
out stories of people whom I've met in my life journey, maybe through travel, through treks, through my office people, or anywhere I've come across interesting people who they live their life to the fullest, and I can share the stories. They can get inspired from these stories. So, these stories will be taken as a case study, जिससे कि वो लोग कुछ ना कुछ सीख सके, अपनी लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ नया सीख ला सके. That's the agenda.
Correct.
And maybe अभी वर्कशॉप तो immediately तो नहीं शुरू होंगे, at least another year's time where I can prepare the module. हो सकता है कि experiential learning हो सकता है take couple of people to travel. So अभी we are all working on that model. को उसके लिए थोड़ा टाइम है, लेकिन उससे पहले I just wanted to gather stories about people so that it can put into a structure. और एक और चीज में सचिन, I happen to meet you on a decathlon basically, but उससे पहले when I used to work in corporate in Gurgaon, so your wife and I used to work in the same building basically. So
Correct.
Rita used to tell me, and she used to take Zumba classes, और जब भी मैं आती थी उसकी क्लासेस खत्म होती थी या शुरू होती थी. And I used to tell her कि मैं पहाड़ों से आई हूँ, ये जा रही हूँ. So it was used to happen on a Friday and Monday. And she used to tell me, यार मेरा husband है ना, वो भी ऐसे ही है, वो बिल्कुल ट्रैवल ही करता रहता है, तो उससे मिलना चाहिए. मैंने कहा मिलूंगी. Then it just happened that I resigned from my corporate company, and then what happened was in Decathlon, somebody called Sachin was taking a session on trekking and what needs to be taken care for trekking and all. So I happened to be there in Decathlon to attend the session, and I see this name, and I just recollected, क्या ये Richa का husband है क्या? That's how I got introduced to you, and I came running and asking you, are you Richa's husband? He
Correct.
said, no, I have an identity. I'm called Sachin Gupta. That's how we met. That's an
Yes,
interesting
yes.
story,
I
actually.
remember. I completely remember that session now. I can recall that. I've done a lot of sessions at Decathlon, all the stores across NCR. But I can recall that
क्योंकि I never
first
got
meeting of
introduced to
ours.
you formally as Sachin Gupta,
हाँ,
travel
हाँ.
dates चलाने वाला या But I got to know from Richa कि सुना है story सुनी है कि उसके husband हमेशा पहाड़ों में रहते हैं. That's yeah. So tell me Sachin, आपको ये corporate अभी normally called corporate junkie से ये वहाँ पहाड़ों का प्यार कैसे हुआ? क्यों हुआ basically? Just because of Spiti?
Not really. Spiti was the initiation, I will say. Initiate वहां से हुआ ये प्यार, but yes, धीरे धीरे बढ़ता गया प्यार. For me, mountains, it's all started with bike riding, as I said. तो पहाड़ों में घूमते, yes, it all started with bike riding. I've been around in mountains from 2010 onwards. In fact, उससे पहले भी जाते थे पहाड़ों में, but ऐसा नहीं था. They were more like a family holiday और मंदिरों के दर्शन. For me, the complete mountain became my temple. So whenever I am on a bike ride, so it used to be kind of meditation for me. पहले दिन, दूसरे दिन, when you are not talking, I used to do a lot of solo trips also. In fact, most of my trips used to be solo. तो पहला दिन क्या होता था, आप अपना you do not have any new thoughts getting into your head. So you're kind of thinking about last day, last couple of days, all those office thing which had happened. I will not call a specific name what we used to call that now, but yes, so all that used to get into head, and then पहले दिन आपके दिमाग में वही चलता रहता. Next day all those thoughts go away. By that time, second day, end of second day you reach, it is all about a blank thing. So you are literally thinking nothing. So this is how it used to be. I used to be in mountains for a month long trips. एक महीने के लिए I am kind of riding across for 8 दिन, 10 दिन, 15 दिन, 20 दिन. I used to do that. And then it became a kind of meditation for me, riding solo across mountains, thinking nothing, literally nothing. So this is where all it become kind of a meditation for me. So this is where that love got developed for mountains. कि पहाड़ है, पहाड़ प्यार है, मतलब है पहाड़.
तो रूट्स भी पूरे बाय हार्ट है आपको. सुंदरनगर से यहाँ जाना है, राइट जाना है, लेफ्ट जाना है, कौन सा ढाबा कहाँ आता है, कौन सा होटल कहाँ आता है. I mean, if somebody needs to be at that place, आपको कॉल कर ले तो पूरा गूगल मैप की जरूरत नहीं है हमें एक्चुअली.
ट्रू मतलब अभी तो खैर इतनी सारी फैसिलिटीज हैं गूगल पे, ऑनलाइन इतनी इंफॉर्मेशन है. अर्लियर वो ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता था. देन people in my circle used to call me Google, by the way. So because of all these informations, but yes, these days these informations are readily available. But again, फिर भी इतनी information online जो है वो है most popular places की, known जगहों की है. But still those hidden areas are still kind of off the internet, and lot of beautiful places which are yet to be reached, which we kind of also certainly not kind of promote to that segment which gonna go and spoil them. We kind of trying to keep those places to those guys who are kind of true nature lovers. वो जाएं और सिर्फ वहाँ पे जगह को enjoy करें without leaving any footprints, any residual thing. So we are kind of introducing slowly through travel tales those places to more people.
सचिन, पहले आप एम्प्लॉय थे कॉर्पोरेट में, अब एंटरप्रेन्योर हैं. हाउ इज द जर्नी? हाउ डज इट?
It is a very tough journey, I'll say. From being employed to employer, it is actually, I will say, it's a very tough thing to be on the other side of the table. And with some such unpredictable times as COVID, it has actually become more difficult. But yes, things are settling up slowly, and hopefully it'll settle for good, and we'll have more people start traveling again the way they used to be, and things will get back to normal. They are already on the right track, and hopefully a couple of more months and we'll be having everybody traveling as they used to earlier. Yeah.
Another thing is that you used to be part of corporate and travel. Now you are doing travel for your corporate people as well, like you do team events, corporate events.
Yes.
Yes. A lot of those events as well. So those events में आपको, I mean, what is the message you want to give it to people there? Events and corporate events and all.
So corporate events are not only about heading out to go and doing a party in the night. They are not only about that. That's what we wanted to bring out to everyone, and that's what our motive is. We've been doing a lot. We were doing corporate travel has been kind of virtually stopped in last couple of 6-7 months post COVID. But yes, before that we've been doing a lot of corporate outings where kind of we are bringing out people, taking out people from those Goa wala parties and taking them to mountains for such wonderful treks. Taking them all those team building, indoor team building to outdoor team building is what we have started doing. If you look at from any of those hotel corporate offsites or Goa offsites, people end up going heading into the hotels within that those dining areas and all. They used to have team events and all, but we have started taking out people out of those places. We take them to mountains. We make them do a lot of small activities, a lot of small hikes kind of thing with a lot of fun activities, a lot of adventure activities, which is where you will end up seeing actual team building.
Absolutely.
Is what happens, and then we make them do party also. शाम में party भी कराते हैं. But yes, it is all about being an outdoor, enjoying the outdoor, building those trust with your teams, with your uh, uh, teammates, with your counterparts. Complete holistic. So when you are in outdoor, the trust factor increases a lot. So
That's true.
adventure is all about trusting your colleagues, trusting your companions who are with you out there. So that kind of gives you a lot of trust into the team, and then that's how we have done. And we've had got really good feedbacks, really positive outcomes out of those corporate travels. We've been doing that. We have again started that. There are companies who have already started reaching out to us for their future plans in coming up month or two. We will have again more corporate traveling with us with the same mindset.
Yeah, I saw in a couple of events also on Instagram, yeah, for Zoom, you used to do corporate parties as well because
Yes. So in COVID time, we have kind of started doing virtual parties where we in kind of doing a lot of team activities, a lot of fun
stuff,
games,
yeah.
team games during those COVID times, since everything has moved to virtual. So
Virtual, yeah.
in fact, everything, all the meetings and all the office space work was happening virtually through Teams, through Zoom, or through the Google Meet and all. So we started creating team parties out there. So people have not met virtually. I mean, people have not met in person from last almost 5-6 months. By then we started them rolling out since June and June onwards. So these are basically virtual parties. They are everything which used to happen into a party that was happening, but it was happening virtually. We're kind of making them play a lot of individual games, a lot of team games. We are making them play. उसके साथ साथ कोरियोग्राफ्ड डांस सेशंस भी थे वहां पे टैलेंट हंट भी था. पीपल वर डूइंग गिटार प्लेइंग, लोग डांस भी कर रहे थे. देयर वाज मिमिक्री सेशंस एंड ऑल दोस. पूरा काइंड ऑफ कॉर्पोरेट गॉट टैलेंट काइंड ऑफ सेगमेंट था. जैसे इंडिया गॉट टैलेंट था, वैसे ही कॉर्पोरेट गॉट टैलेंट था.
Wow.
Team games, individual games. In fact, one of the games which was loved a lot into those specific thing was treasure hunt. So it was a virtual treasure hunt which we were doing a lot. So people were kind of asked to bring in things which were uncommon, and they are within their houses as well. So they were heading out in houses and finding out things in the houses, and that way it kind of team building activities which we were doing virtually. Apart from that, the integral part of any party is food. So we were making sure everybody has those food packets with them, those bakery items and all those things at their home within that time span. So we're kind of delivering all those food packets as well to make actual party with a lot of party purpose as well. So I do have a couple of things here with me, the kind of things which we were sending these.
Oh, wow.
So
Props भी रखे रहते हो, wow.
we were sending props as well. We were sending props. We were sending beverages as well to everyone. So we were sending props. We were sending hats. Sorry.
Because इस time पे innovation होना बहुत जरूरी है, and it's good to be innovative, getting people connected basically, and moving out of the box as well. It's really interesting.
Yes. We've got a good response.
Yeah.
Sure.
Next time मुझे तो बताना, if I can join, I'll try. Yeah.
Definitely.
अच्छा, एक चीज बताइए, आपने Travel Tales शुरू किया, इसका vision क्या है? What is the purpose? Why you created this company, and what is the vision forward for this?
Travel Tales ka vision is about touching lives basically. As you have been on a lot of trips, so you know how our trips are created, how trips get executed. So we want people, those who are kind of into those hotels में जाके रहना, and then within they kind of love hotel properties, staying within the hotel premises. We kind of bring those people out and introduce them to outdoors. We have done that with a lot of people, and we kind of take them to outdoors, introduce them to the actual adventure, actual outings. It is not about staying in a hotel is one part of that, where you end up by the end of day for the comfort of sleep.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you are in outdoors, you enjoy outdoors. So that way, we want them to enjoy the outdoors and respect the outdoors, respect the nature as well. It is not just about enjoying them, it is about respecting them. So one of the very important thing in all our trips is we kind of have a mandate of having a water bottle with them from the go ahead of the trip. From the moment they get into a trip, they need to have a water bottle in place, and they are not supposed to buy any plastic bottles, any water bottles with them. We make sure we are getting them refilled with a RO water or with a bigger distillery bottle, 20-liter bottle, but we do not let them buy those water bottles. We make sure the water is which these guys are drinking, or the trippers, the guests on our trips are drinking. That is a drink safe water. But yes, we do make sure they are not buying those water bottles or not kind of creating those impact into the environment. Obviously, there are ways which we can do it in a much better way, which is on the way. We are kind of progressing that as well, but we have kind of eliminated a lot of things, and a lot need to be eliminated as well, which is in process. So it is so as a vision, it is about impacting life, touching them, and then creating a positive impact on how to I'll say once anyone is in outdoors, anyone has experienced adventure, they are more ready to handle difficult situations in their life. I know from your example, you have done so many treks in last couple of years. Probably, I think 20 plus treks is what you have done in last two odd years. So you know how
Yeah.
does it impact and when you are in outdoors and how you can implement those things into their life. तो वो एक वाली चीज है. हम लोगों की ट्रिप पे जब लोग आते हैं ना, when they I have seen a lot of people crying on my trips.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
this is what we feel कि यार वो खुशी वाले आंसू, crying not in a literal sense, but yes,
Yeah,
खुशी वाले जो आंसू आते हैं, वो this is what makes us feel यार हमने कुछ किया है. This is where we have touched their lives. So when people come and hug us and say कि यार we have not experienced something on those lines ever. So this is kind of, there are a lot of people on our trip, their way of thinking in a life, their kind of perspective from the life, their expectations and all have changed a lot after being on a trip with us. And these guys used to be those guys who used to go to 5 stars, enjoy the swimming pool, enjoy the gym and head back. So that's not the way we want to do that. We want to impact life in a proper way.
So I remember we went for two. I did two trips with you guys. So I did one is Barod and one is GB. So
Yes.
Barod, if you remember, we had a 16-kilometer walk to the Bada Gaon where we had to have that
Yes.
curry chawal, and we were
True.
slipping because we were walking on that snow. And if you remember, there were people who were coming for the first time on the snow. The experience was so amazing. कि हम कड़ी
Yeah.
चावल के लिए 16 किलोमीटर चल रहे हैं.
So
And
that
it is
that
worth it. I mean, it
yes.
was such a.
So
उसके अलावा, and I remember कि we had a landslide. We had to stay there for another extra day.
yes.
So you make sure that people should go for a paragliding experience as well. डर के लोगों को push कर रहे थे, but the experience was so good. I mean, I can't tell you. I had tears in my eyes because that
Yes,
was
I remember that. I remember that.
So I can tell you that experience was very, very different, very, very close to my heart. Another trip I'll tell you was Jibi. There is this hidden gem जहाँ पे वो जो एक नहाने के लिए people go to
Correct.
swimming.
And I
but
lost my
that
specs.
is-
And I lost
Yeah.
these specs, and which we recovered
Yes.
later.
Later on. So remember, there were families who had come there who had always gone on outstation, overseas trips and all. There were families. They were telling they've never seen that India has such places where they could bring their kids there, teach them how to share. The lessons which kids were learning were sharing their joys basically. Right?
Correct.
Or staying in an apple orchid or क्या चाहिए. So I
सही
mean,
बात.
बहुत छोटे 2-3 दिन के ट्रिप्स थे अपने कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ से लोगों ने छुट्टियां लेकर आए थे बट वी हैड दिस एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ लाइफ टाइम देयर बेसिकली एंड यू कैन टेक इट बैक टू योर फैमिलीज एंड टेल स्टोरीज कि ऐसे भी होता है इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी दैट यू टू स्पेंड मच मोर मनी टू एंजॉय लाइफ बेसिकली छोटी छोटी चीजें एंड
छोटी
ऑल्सो अनदर छोटी छोटी चीजें and also one thing I like about your trips is you're connected with the locals as well. You will not only take care of the guests who come into your trips, but you connected with locals. You take care of them. You ask questions to them. Is everything all right? Is anything needed? That's very very rare people who do it because it's not your duty to look at that aspect as well. But you generally have seen taking care of that aspect as well. So that's a good thing.
Thank you. So we make sure at least everybody on the both side of the trip is kind of happy and they're kind of सो होता है ना कि गैस से ही सिर्फ गेस्टों को ही प्रॉब्लम हो, होटल वालों से या फिर जहां पे रुक रहे हैं उससे या फिर जो एक्टिविटी करा रहा है उससे, ऐसा नहीं है. देयर आर in fact there are people on the delivery side also, they also have issues with people, because there are times when people are really finicky about things, but yes, we make sure everything is in order. And then it is kind of one specific room. It is not about, even on our trip, one thing which we make sure right from the start of the trip, they are not individuals anymore. Even आपने देखा है पहले भी, जैसे अगर कोई फैमिली के साथ भी आया है, कोई दोस्तों के साथ भी आया है, वी ट्राई टू ब्रेक दैट ग्रुप एंड क्रिएट वन लार्जर
Yeah,
ग्रुप, वन लार्जर ग्रुप. सो 1 घंटे बाद किसी को पता नहीं लगता है कौन किसके साथ आया है.
yeah.
So
That's
that is what we try to do on all our trips, and we have been so far successful, and touch wood, we will make sure that we are kind of going ahead with the same thing in future as well.
I'm just looking forward कि मैं कब दिल्ली आऊँ, because पहले दिल्ली was easy for me to travel. अब दिल्ली थोड़ा दूर है, because my office is in Chennai now. So दिल्ली दूर है अभी मेरे लिए, लेकिन मेरा घर है वहाँ पे, तो एक reason है कि कभी ना कभी तो आऊँगी.
Correct. And then we have a reason to head back down south as well, so which we have already started. We did few trips before the lockdown in south, but yes, we will be launching an overall new setup, new operations out there in south as well, very soon again. So hopefully from May onwards, we will have more trips rolling out from southern part of the India as well. A lot of Sahyadris, a lot of Western Ghat is what on the cards.
Oh, wow.
And then something in Kodaikanal belt as well is what we are kind of looking forward.
Good to hear those things, yeah, those progress and all. And it's lovely to see, because when I got to hear about you, you were thinking about starting your travel company. वहाँ से
Correct.
traveling शुरू किया, उसके बाद now it's going, the progress is really good. So you work as you have a team as well, right? How
yes.
your team? So they are the support for this, right?
Correct. So we used to have a good team before the COVID, but then things have changed for us a lot. So we have kind of slashed down. We do not have much people with us at the moment. We have people on the operation side, and then they are kind of based out in Manali. One of them is in GB, the other one is in Manali. There are a few people who are based out in those mountains, and then out here we've had 3-4 more guys with us, more person with us earlier. But with COVID, things have changed a lot. So we're kind of rebuilding that team now.
Okay.
They're kind of rebuilding it.
Yeah, there are a lot of creative events, because the kind of videos that they used to make was so nice. I mean, so उसको देख के लगता है यार दोबारा चले जाओ.
True. So they are again started rolling out very soon. We are already in progress, in process of creating more such content, more such things. The team is in place now, so we will have more things rolling out very soon. Hopefully with
मैं ट्रैवलिंग के बारे में तो हमने थोड़ी बात कर ली है. मुझे बताइए आपकी हॉबीज ट्रैवलिंग के अलावा और क्या-क्या है? I know you love music. इसके अलावा क्या-क्या है?
हॉबीज सब कुछ पहाड़ों से रिलेटेड है एक्चुअली. हॉबीज में if we look around, so motorbiking is like one of the biggest thing, whether it is mountains, plain. That again I said पहले भी meditation की तरह था, वो अभी भी है, but it's not in kind of, I'm not doing that. Yes. Correct. So photography is another very important part of my life. I've been kind of exposed to the outer world, to those big brands and all, through photography and motorcycling itself. I was a part of True Wanderer, the annual event which Wrangler organizes. I had been one of the finalists and one of the runner-ups in two seasons of them. That was season 2 and season 3. Wrangler True Wanderer. So, and then I had been one of the finalist of the Flickr contest, where they were selecting photographers. So photographers are basically the guys who are traveling on the bike and doing a lot of photography. So for me, photography is one of the integral parts, along with motorbiking, trekking. Even on my tracks, as you would have seen on our trips to Barot, GB, and other places as well, I end up clicking a lot of pictures, a lot of landscapes, a lot of portrait, and I end up sharing with you all as well as a memory for your trips. So which is still going on.
सचिन तो stargazing वाले photographs होते हैं, हम लोग से तो नहीं होते यार, मेरे से तो नहीं click होते.
So we've been doing that, and you need to be back on a trip soon. अभी तो stargazing का level बहुत ऊपर चला गया है. अभी उसमें we do a lot of proper constellation mapping. We do a lot of trails. We do proper star trail catch up, and those Milky Way galaxies. We kind of do a lot of planet mapping as well on those trips. So you need to come back on those trips. We've been doing that recently. We have done a Har Ki Dun. We have done Brahmatal, Har Ki Dun, all those treks as well. We've done a lot of these star trail shooting and all those things. And we do a lot of mapping these days with the help of a lot of apps. You guys, those who are listening to at the moment, you yourself can go and look into those constellations and satellites through a lot of apps. One of them is SkyChart, which we use, and then Sky app. A lot of apps. SkyChart is what I personally use a lot these days.
So yeah, it's a beautiful feeling when you are in the mountains. You're able to see those
Correct.
starry nights. कहते हैं मैं star
Yeah. I know.
बचपन
And
में
there
जो
is a word which we have kind of started creating, stargasm, for those nights, for those.
twinkle twinkle little stars सुना
Correct.
सुनते हैं बचपन में, लेकिन वो actually दिखता है mountains में.
Millions and millions of
लद्दाख
stars.
स्पीति तो I've been both दोनों जगह का stargazing is so amazing. I've never
Beautiful.
seen it anywhere else.
Correct. But the irony is people are not aware. Alwar, close to Gurgaon, just 2 hours of drive from Gurgaon, is the darkest place in India. And you get to see much more stars from there. And there are specifically there is one specific setup which kind of they do a lot of stargazing sessions out there. They have kind of created a hostel sort of setup, and then they've got telescopes and everything in place. It is just 2 hours from Gurgaon, and it's a beautiful stargazing area where you can go and see those stars, Milky Ways, and then can shoot Milky Way time lapses as well. A lot
So
of
people
more options.
watching, they should make a note of Alwar, that there's a place called Alwar where
Yes,
you can go and do stargazing and all
Correct,
stuff.
correct.
I
Anywhere
saw
in
I saw
Yeah.
Jupiter and Saturn देखा था मैंने नुब्रा में बैठ के.
correct.
And again, it was a very very emotional moment for me because I've never seen Jupiter के आजू बाजू Saturn का rings है यार, क्या बोलूं मैं.
Correct.
Jupiter has moons there, so you telescope
Yes.
बैग में देखना was a very different experience.
Correct. From mountains, आपको telescope की भी जरूरत नहीं है, but just with a zoom lens, you end up seeing all those stars, पूरे satellites, Jupiter के सारे moons, सारे तो नहीं, 4-5 moon तो हमेशा दिख ही जाते हैं. And then you can end up seeing the Saturn का ring also properly, एक proper ring तक दिख जाता है. And then this is what you can do. Mountains are, I mean, you can see Spiti में से especially, and then from the Hanle wala belt in Ladakh. As someone has pointed out, come to Ladakh. We've been to Ladakh a lot. I've personally done around 8 to 10 trips to Ladakh on motorbike, on car, on cycle, on trek, and all mode of means. I've done that. And Hanle has got the beautiful, beautiful skies out there, the clearest of the skies. In fact, earlier it used to be the highest observatory in the world, but now I believe it is the second highest. There is one in Chile as well, which is at a higher altitude than what Hanle is. But there are beautiful skies, and from Hanle is what you can get. From Spiti you can get, and as I said, anywhere in mountains you are away from that light pollution, a little far from the main towns, and they are good to catch a Milky Way on a no moon night. Even on a full moon night, you will have something or other to catch up. But yes, on a no moon night, it is heaven for stargazing. For stargazing, it is heaven.
So, what is a dream destination?
Sorry? Dream destination.
जाने के लिए जो भी बची.
Antarctica, for sure. There are two destinations. In fact, one is Antarctica. The other one is to see the aurora borealis, either from the Nordic countries or from the Murmansk, it's a part of Russia. But that is on the cards for sure. Those either they are like extreme poles, either the North Pole area or the South Pole area, Antarctica or the aurora borealis. One of those two things are on the cards, and they are dream. Hopefully one day we will be able to. बिल्कुल करेंगे. ये लाइफ
ट्रैवलिंग के अलावा और कोई ड्रीम और पैशन है लाइफ में?
Climbing Everest used to be one 5-6 years back, but yes, things have changed, priorities have changed in life. So Everest is not on the cards anymore, maybe for another 20 odd years, but you never know कब क्या हो जाए. But yes, as a passion, it is about roaming across the world, and not only roaming around, it is about touching a lot of lives, creating happiness, creating impact. That is what life is all about. It is all about happiness these days. It is not about money, or it is not about anything. पैसा चाहिए, obviously, थोड़ा बहुत पैसा तो चाहिए हर चीज के लिए, but हाँ, it is not about earning those big bucks and then doing nothing. It is about earning sufficient amount and then fulfilling those happiness things all around.
I mean, living your life to the fullest, right?
Yes, that is the only motive at the moment.
Yeah, छोटी-छोटी चीजों में खुशियों खुद के लिए, दूसरों को भी खुशियां दो.
Correct, true. होता है ना, बहुत कुछ change होता है with traveling. A lot of things does change. मैं आपको अपना पर्सनल बताता हूँ. I used to think when I was around 23, 24, maybe 25, I used to have a dream by 30 I should have a BMW, I should have a house. I could have fulfilled that by 30th. By I turned 30th with the kind of salary which I used to have, with the kind of work I used to have. But yes, with traveling, priorities and things have changed. By the time I was 26, 27, I've realized कि नहीं यार ये सब they are not what I wanted in my life. They used to be when I was in engineering. I used to think these are as the target, as the kind of the epitome, the goals of the life, but they are not the goals of the life. Goal is only one, that is happiness. Whichever way it comes, it has to be the happiness.
So what is a key learning from life, basically, if I ask?
Key learnings, I will say, follow your dream. Do not give up on that. You should not regret when you are sitting, when you are 60 साल का or sitting on a chair, just and then thinking यार काश ये कर लिया होता. नहीं, that should not be the case. You should follow your dream. You should follow your passion. If you can convert your passion into profession, nothing better than that. Nothing better than that. It is kind of, I mean, you will not earning what you will be doing as a non-passion profession. Kind of, suppose, for example, if I used to be in IT, I used to earn something. But as if I'm following a passion, I'm not earning that sort of amount, but happiness is what the key for me is. So money has taken a back seat, and yes, with time it will come. It's gonna be the byproduct for sure. It will not be the primary thing in my life anymore. It's gonna be the byproduct. But yes, if you can convert your passion into profession, nothing better than that. If you are kind of struggling to find out the passion, you should try different thing. You should kind of figure out what your passion is, then start looking after that. If not, then probably convert profession into your passion. One of the ways, either passion into profession or convert the profession into passion. That's how you gonna be happy.
Yeah.
Happiness is the key, but
So what makes you live your life to the fullest, basically? क्या एक राज की बात है जो आप मतलब खुल के जीते हो?
आज की बात तो कुछ भी नहीं है इसमें, बट हाँ, इट इज अबाउट कि एक खुशी मिलती है. आई फील गुड, आई फील हैप्पी when I'm traveling, where the more mountains does make me more happy. But yes, even if I'm driving around, if I'm riding around, if I'm cycling around, if I'm in outdoors, that is what makes me happy. I'm not a person who can sit inside the house and then, but COVID has definitely done a lot of damage. Been kind of on a recovery mode from that, but yes,
Yeah, I know.
on a happy track.
बहुत मुश्किल है.
हाँ,
मैंने जब नौकरी वापस ज्वाइन की थी, जब CA फर्म में थी लास्ट फ्यू मंथ्स, मुझसे वो 8 घंटे बैठा नहीं जाता था. And I used to feel I used to look outside the window, basically.
It's been a tough year for us.
Yeah.
Correct. It's been a really tough year.
So a lot of viewers are there. They want to know, at least they will be interested in knowing one takeaway from your life to them, basically, what they can implement in their life.
Follow your passion. That is the only key. And then you have to give up a lot of things for following your passion. It is not about, earlier it used to be, you have to give something to get something. It is about, if you are going to follow your passion, be ready to give up a lot of things, not something, a lot of things. You have to give up a lot of things to follow your passion, to follow your dream. But yes, don't get bogged by a lot of people who will be around you. They will say कि ये मत करो, वो मत करो, पैसा ही सब कुछ है. नहीं, go and follow your passion, and when you convert your passion into profession, that's gonna be the right success, and money will start flowing in. Then these guys will come back and start saying कि यार ये करेगा ये लड़का कुछ, kind of thing. So don't give up on your dreams, for sure. And then the other takeaway, the other thing which you all should do, whosoever is watching and who will watch in future as well, give time to your body, at least 30 minutes to your body in any way, whether you walk, cycle, exercise, dance, do Zumba, do dance, do climbing. If you can't do anything, just climb stairs. अपनी बिल्डिंग में 2 फ्लोर का है, 50 चक्कर लगाओ ऊपर नीचे, but give 30 minutes to your body every day. That is the key which you...
Yeah, so that's the only place where you live, basically. वही आपका partner है. Body is the best
Correct,
partner.
true.
Life partner is
True. And then with COVID, everybody has realized immunity and health is the key now. So एक वो छोटी सी चीज आके जिसका कोई साइज भी नहीं पता है अपने को, माइक्रो सेंटीमीटर माइक्रोमीटर वाली चीज ने आके तबाही मचा रखी है दुनिया में. सो एनीथिंग कैन हैपन टू एनीवन एट एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. सो इट इज योर बॉडी इज गोना बी विद यू. So at least devote some time to your body, at least 30 minutes. Make sure you are doing 30 minutes to your body. That's gonna be the key.
Another thing I wanted to ask you about your Everest. You've been to Everest Base Camp. So how was
Yes.
your experience seeing the Everest? Did you go to Gokyori या Base Camp तक गए थे आप?
We did Gokyori भी किया था साथ में.
So तो आप दिसंबर में गए होंगे, right?
दिसंबर में किया था. Temperature was -35. -35 is what we experienced. And then a couple of days initially, 3 odd days was a heavy snowfall, and then it was all about braving the cold. 3 रजाइयाँ, sleeping bag, hot bags, 4 layer. It was all about braving the cold. But yes, it was a wonderful experience because we were only kind of 8 of us on that day, and there were like 7, 8 more on different groups. So it was it was kind of our own planned trip without any company or without any guidance. We kind of just had me, my brother, and another friend of mine. So 3 of us was on that route. And there were a couple of more foreigners who were there on that route. In fact, we were also the foreigners out there, but there were a couple of non-Indians as well. We were kind of walking parallelly. So we had a good glimpse of all the peaks from Gokyori. We kind of saw 5 8,000ers. Cho-Oyu, Makalu, we saw Cho-Oyu, Makalu, Nuptse, Lhotse, and obviously the Everest as well. And then
so I remember it calling it Chomulangama. So when I went there, normally क्या होता था कि weather was really bad. So 2 बजे तक पूरा cloud से cover हो जाता था.
Correct,
and उस दिन I was very very slow. So I reached around 4 o'clock. सारे लोग मेरे साथ के 12 लोग में से हम 5 लोग ऊपर गए. और जब तक मैं पहुंची 4 बजे पहुंची, ऊपर पहुंच के फोटो लिया, वीडियो लिया, उसके बाद ऑटोमेटिकली क्लाउड्स आ गए. जैसे मेरे लिए थोड़े देर
एक वो विंडो खुली थी. Oh, this is what luck.
लक एंड आई नेवर यूज्ड टू कॉल माय सेल्फ ट्रैकर. मैं आपके ट्रिप में बोलते थे मुझे ट्रैकर मत बुलाया करो. जब तक मैं एवरेस्ट नहीं देख लेती तब तक मैं अपने आप को ट्रैकर नहीं बुलाऊंगी.
नाउ वी कैन कॉल यू ट्रैकर.
दैट्स द डे पीपल स्टार्टेड कॉलिंग मी. Yeah, बोल सकते
हैं. But there is no trek in the world which is as beautiful as the Everest trek can go, Everest Base Camp trek can go. You end up seeing those 8,000ers हर तरफ. You are walking at such altitude. दुनिया के सबसे बड़े-बड़े ग्लेशियर्स आपके बगल में हैं. Those beautiful lakes, the view of Ama Dablam. It is unmatched. मतलब उससे सुंदर कोई पहाड़ नहीं है. As the name says, Ama Dablam, it translates into as a necklace of the mountain. It is actually a necklace. And then, in fact, the way it is called, Everest is a male, and then it is being surrounded by beautiful females. So all the peaks around Everest are beautiful. Everest itself is not very beautiful. I mean, it is beautiful, but kind of the peaks. Let's not demean the beauty of Everest. But yes, it is beautiful. But those peaks around that, Pumori, Lhotse, Nuptse, they are much more beautiful. They are much more beautiful. So that Everest is being surrounded by beautiful mountains altogether, with icing on the cake as Ama Dablam. That vertical face is beautiful.
My favorite place in Everest Base Camp, Namchi Bazaar में एक Everest Point, and you can see the Everest basically.
Correct.
I mean, EBC के मुकाबले में कभी तो कोई ट्रैक लगा नहीं है.
EBC, it is tough. It is physically tiring, but it is mentally more tiring. So for everyone out there who are planning to do Everest Base Camp, be mentally fit much more than physical. You will definitely need a physical fitness because most of the trek is at an altitude of higher, more than 4,500 meters. At times you will be walking at 50 to 5,300 meters. You will be staying in Lobuchi at 4,900 meters, Gorakshep at 5,024 meters, 5,000 meter plus, Dingboche at around 4,700 meters. But yes, that altitude is killer. You need to understand what AMS is all about. Uske saath fitness, physical, mental, both is required. Mental is epitome. It is mandatory. You need to know what you are getting into.
Yeah,
but
it's a different.
कुछ भी unmatched नहीं है. उस experience से unmatched कुछ भी नहीं है.
Yeah, I know. One of my dream places to see Everest from Tibet side.
Oh, okay.
काफी देर तक आप गाड़ी से जा सकते हैं.
You can drive to the base camp. You can drive all the way to the base camp in Tibet.
So I want to go there and see Everest from that side because कहते हैं कि 70% of your Everest is on the other side.
Yes, it is. यहाँ पे correct. You can't because there are much more. There are the couple of 8,000ers ahead of Everest, so it kind of obstruct the view. you will see end up seeing only the top part of the Everest. But from the from the north side, you will see base to the top of the Everest. You end up seeing the complete Everest from there.
और
I do
एक
have
और
some pictures. I will share that with you. I do have some pictures from the north.
another thing I liked about Everest Base Camp is there's a place where camps लगते हैं जब climbers जाते हैं वहाँ पे.
हाँ,
So it's all
that is the moving glacier.
Yeah, and the thing is कि मैंने वहाँ पे कैम्प से टेंट्स नहीं देखे, लेकिन उनके जो यूटेंसिल्स पड़े थे, जो चीजें छोड़ के गए हैं, वो चीजें दिखाई देती है, तो पता चलता है कि हाँ यहाँ पे टेंट्स थे. So we were lucky that the trek guides who took us there showed us how it is all done there. So it was so beautiful. ऐसे लग रहा था कि हम तैयारी कर रहे हैं वो कुंभो ग्लेशियर के पास बैठ के कभी क्लाइंब करेंगे, लेकिन करना नहीं था, वो अलग बात है. But those days were the best days बोलते हैं ना of my life, जिसे I can. Let's.
I totally agree with that.
Yeah, वो जो रोंगटे खड़े हो रहे हैं मेरे, अभी मैं बात कर रही हूँ.
No, true. I can definitely recall every moment of our trip. But that was way back. We did it in 2013. That was almost 8 years now. So,
Yeah.
but yes, I've been longing to go back to Everest and Annapurna.
Yeah, I did with people who were 70 and 69-year-old. सोचो मेरे पापा के एज
A lot of them. Correct.
And they were so fit. So मुझे लगता था यार उनकी एज में मुझे भी फिट होना है. So मेरे को fitness is now become an habit. कुछ भी हो मैं आधा घंटा 1 घंटा तो निकाल ही लेती हूँ. कुछ नहीं कर पाए तो
it has to be the habit. Yes. Correct.
It's like brushing is your habit, so fitness is your habit. That's it. So let's check for questions. I mean, chat show थोड़ा खत्म होने का टाइम आ गया, तो let me check कि सब लोग क्या कह रहे हैं. So let's check for the viewers. Okay. Let's start. क्या दिख So somebody called Ichlan is saying you have perfectly evolved through travel trails through time and transform it passionately. Perfect. Good.
Thank you. Thanks,
There are not
Ishan.
many. So there are not many questions as such, but lot of people have shared hi to you, like a lot of people, and there are a lot of fire and heart emoticons for you. No questions as such. और एक और चीज मैं बताना चाहूंगी कि अगर आप सचिन के साथ जा रहे हो तो मूर्तिल के पराठे जरूर खाने पड़ेंगे. वाइट मक्खन के साथ, राइट?
वाइट मक्खन के साथ. अगर हिमाचल जा रहे थे
आप फूडी हो तो डेफिनेटली ट्राई ट्रैवलिंग विद ट्रैवल टेल्स, बिकॉज यू विल हैव अ ब्लास्ट ऑफ योर टाइम एंड यू विल.
और पहाड़ों में मिठाई, और पहाड़ों में लोकल मिठाइयाँ,
लोकल मिठाई, लोकल अचार, कड़ी, राजमा. So I'm a foodie, so I can tell you जो मैंने खाया है. And with their trips, you will get experience of local food, local yummy food, basically all organic food. So yeah. Thanks Sachin for coming into our show, sharing your experience. I had a great time. It brought back all my memories of my travel. Yeah, and I'm looking forward to travel again with you. And the thing which I have for viewers is that do try traveling with Travel Tales. It's an experience of its kind, very different from other travel groups, basically. So at least once give it a try. And so let's catch up next week with another interesting personality who will share their inspiration and their life journey. So I hope you had a great time with Sachin. And Sachin is available in Insta by the name Send to Sachin, or by the company name Travel Tales. He's there in Facebook also. You can directly contact him. So yeah, that's it for me now. Let me say bye to Sachin. Thanks Sachin for your time. Bye Sachin. Bye viewers.
Thank you. Thanks everyone. It was good interacting out here, Smita, with you, and then sharing all those experiences, and then recalling all those beautiful moments which we have lived upon a couple of trips with you. Looking forward to host you very soon again in mountains or anywhere here, anywhere out there.
I'm looking forward to meet your son. Basically, he's 1.5 years old. I'm not.
He's 1.5 years old. He's been peeping around. He's been looking around from here and there and trying to get into the frame.
I think I have met you more than Richa, basically.
Yes, true.
Yes. So definitely, next trip, I'll definitely make sure that I take out time to meet your family. Sure.
Yeah, cool. Yeah. Looking forward, man. Thank you. Thanks everyone. Thanks for joining me. Thank you. Bye.